Hi everyone, Scott, Septic here. We're doing a septic inspection. It's just south of Baseline Road in Boulder, Colorado. We've got a 1963 single compartment 1,000-gallon tank. Just there, we've got that opened up. And then the soil treatment area is approximately 500 square foot bed. You can kind of see the vegetation change with that soil treatment area. We came out to do this inspection and we found a problem. We've got a septic tank that is far beyond the normal operating level. This is nearly a state of emergency. This is backing up in the house, slow drains in the house. There's an outlet baffle that's below that water about a foot or so. Same here, there's an inlet baffle hiding there in the water. We're gonna get this pumped down and determine the root cause and do a little bit more diagnostics of why we're getting this high water condition. Could either be a line blockage or the soil treatment area due to lack of maintenance on the septic system and just the age of from 1963. This system could be at the end of its life. So we got this pumped down. You can see the staining on the risers, how black that is from the high water condition. This is not a recent problem, but rather this has been a sustained problem with this system. We are missing the inlet baffle. It's corroded down below the water level. Sewer line from the house is right there. The inlet baffle is designed to direct that wastewater flow down into the tank and promote settling. The tank is in pretty rough shape. Concrete corrosion is there. We do have a PVC outlet baffle, and you can see the water continuing to run in from that soil treatment area, even since this has been pumped down. That's called drain back. So a few next steps. We've got signs of high water condition for an unknown amount of time. That black septic staining on those risers indicates that there's high water condition. This is not a new condition. Around the lids, fully saturated with water. It's a muddy pit back there. We want to confirm that the outlet line is intact to the soil treatment area. We'd run a sewer camera down there to confirm that its integrity is there. We're getting drain back from the soil treatment area into the tank. That's an indicator that that line that we would camera is not damaged, but rather the soil treatment area is now compromised with debris and material from a lack of maintenance. Just like changing the oil on your car every 3,000 miles, you want to get your septic tank cleaned out about every 3 years, depending on your usage.